Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And today I want to talk to you about stop being scared. One of the things I wanted you to understand is, and this is for my new people that's going into lawn care, stop being scared to establish a policy that benefits you and protects you other than the customer. An example would be, I have a policy that pretty much says that if you leave anything in your yard and I roll over it and damage it, I am not responsible for the damages. I put this in my text every time I send my clients a notification that we're going to do their yard. It just basically says water hose, dog chains, lights, etc. If it's left in the yard and I roll over it, I am not responsible for the damages. So don't be afraid to let your clients know that is a policy of yours. Don't be afraid to charge a late fee. That's one of my policies. I charge a late fee. It's a $7 late fee if I do not get paid the same day. Now, a lot of us gotta understand that we're providing a service, and just like other people who provide services, a plumber comes over, electricians come over, someone does the carpentry, a lot of times you are going to be charged the same day. That's what they want. They want their money same day. And I use credit cards, so it's no reason why I should not get paid the same day of service. So don't be afraid to charge your clients a late fee. I charge $7, and believe it or not, I do get the $7 late fee. My clients pretty much don't complain. They know it's an inconvenience to get paid later on. Another thing, fam, don't be afraid to buy a cheaper mower. I know a lot of people are calling me, a lot of people are leaving comments on my Bradley Mower videos, and they're asking me the same thing that I already stated in the videos. But here's what I want to say to you right now. Don't be afraid to buy a lesser, cheaper mower. Let me tell you why. Let's just use some logic. Let's say you cut 7 months out of a year, and your Bradley mower has a 2-year warranty. That means technically you have a 14-month warranty. Now, I think that's something like 56 weeks. If you are spending, let's say, $3,000 or $3,500 for a mower, and you save $60 a week for the whole 14 months, you are going to have enough money to buy a new mower. What you worrying about? You're going to make that money. So don't be afraid to buy a lesser mower. Just figure out how much money you need to set aside so when that warranty goes out, you can buy another mower. That's it. These mowers are not magic. Man, I'm telling you, I done spent $11,000 on a mower and had to take it back. They break down. So I do back the Bradley mower again, just so you hear me say it again. And the last one I had, there was a 52-inch. I think the engine went bad. It blew smoke. It wouldn't start no more. I was done with it. I knew it was out of warranty. I didn't want to put no more money in it. I was tired of trying to figure things out on the mower. But I love the mower to the point where I bought 2 more mowers. I got a 36-inch. I got a 48-inch. I got them. I bought them. I paid for them, and I use them for backyards only because I can't get my 60-inch inside of the gates. And the reason why I want to do that is because it's less money. That's kind of like the whole part. And I know I'm going to get my money out of it. That 52-inch that I had, I got my money back. I certainly did. So don't be afraid, again, to buy a lesser, cheaper mower. Also, don't be afraid to get you a website. Now, better yet, I have this to say. Use Yardbook. Yardbook can establish a website for you for free. Now, if you're not trying to grow your business, I don't think a website is important. If you're just trying to be the neighborhood grass cutting guy You don't need a website. You just need flyers, put it out, and you establish yourself just like an ice cream truck does. Just go through the neighborhood. But if you're trying to grow a business and you're serious about growing a business, you can't be serious about growing a business if you don't have a website. Now you're trying to say, well, how much money do I have for a website? That's up to you, how you want to do your website. Now you can check my website out, quickcutslawnservice.com. Please go by there, take a look at it. I spent about a little under $2,000 between, it was about $2,000. I spent $2,000 for that website. Now, I hadn't spent any money other than I updated some pictures on it, so a couple of $100 this year. But when I first got the website, it was $2,000. Now, if you don't have $2,000, please, by all means, go to Yardbook. Get the free download. Go ahead and establish yourself on the website. And you say, well, Vic, I don't know how to do it. Do me a favor. You already on YouTube. YouTube it. It will walk you through how to establish a website through Yardbook. So don't be afraid to spend a little time to do that. Now is the time when we're going into the down season. You have the time now to set yourself up for next year. All right. Cut on, Lawn Care family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.